Hey, my name's Joel, and in today's video, you're gonna help me solve my stick problem by watching me unbox my brand new wood chipper from LawnMaster. Now, this is a 15 amp electric wood chipper. They say it's got a 14:1 ratio. So if these would normally fill 14 lawn bags, they'll go into one bag when they're ground up into fine mulch. It can handle sticks up to 1.8 inches in diameter. So let's unbox this thing and put it to the test. Okay, so we got everything out of the box, and it looks like there's a little installation to do. We have to put this bar through with our wheels. We've got these arms to install that will stand it up higher so you can fit a bag underneath. This is just the plunger that goes in the top, so I'll set that there for now, but let's go ahead and get this thing assembled so we can start chipping up our sticks. All right, so installation is not that complex. There's only 6 screws to put in. They give you this wrench. It's the same wrench for every single nut, and you just basically take these 2 bars, run your bar for your wheels through it, then tighten your nuts on each side. That was pretty easy. Then we have these corresponding 4 holes on the tubing. If we flip the mulcher over, all we have to do is place the tubing on the corresponding bolt on each side. We can line it up. Got one side, there's the other side, and then we just take our self-locking nuts here, place them on top, and we'll tighten these up. Two more on this side here, same process. And I would say you don't want to go too tight on these just because this is circular tubing and you'll crush it. So once we're done with that, all we do is flip it over and you'll see the form factor of the mulcher. Your mulch bits are going to come out here and you can maneuver it around wherever you need to go. And I almost forgot, they give you these little hubcaps that just snap on. There we go. We can take our bag. It's got 2 handles. This is just like a reusable shopping bag, and they hook into these clips on either side. Now the only thing left to do is plug it in, and they have this nice safety loop here for the plug so you can take your cord and shoot it through here, then hook it into this. So it can't be accidentally tugged on and pulled out. Then we just remove this and plug her in. Now we are hot and ready to go. We have power. So there's only one switch on this thing, pretty easy on and off, and it's large so you don't have to struggle in case of an emergency. There is a little breaker on here in case you trip something, so that's good. It won't trip the breaker in your house. This plunger is just to help you get extra depth so you don't have to stick your fingers in there, because I believe if you do that, you might lose them. All right, I think we've done everything we need to do. Now it's time to fire this baby up and get it going. Okay. First stick. All right, you can see that while it chipped that up really well, if you don't pull your bag forward, make sure it covers the hole, it's not gonna work very well. So let's try that again. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. I think I actually overfilled our bag. That's one thing you want to watch. You want to make sure that you don't overfill your bag at the top. But check it out. You'll see some of the smaller sticks that we stuck through there didn't go, but look at Look at the mulch that those larger sticks made. I mean, we put one stick in there that I thought would never go through for sure. And this is about half of my pile, and it's only half of this bag. And I thought that the size of this bag would be an issue, but because of how much it breaks it down, this bag actually held 15 minutes of chipping. And the nice thing is it's so small, it fits inside a lawn bag. So I can stick the entire thing in there, flip it upside down, and dump it, and don't have to worry about any transfer mess. I think the size of this bag is more than enough. Then when I'm done, I just clip it back on the front and spread out here on the bottom. That's the key. Make sure the bag is spread out. All right, so we did this entire pile of sticks in less than 20 minutes. This is the only stick that I could not split or I could not chip, and you'll see it went down that far. This stick was about 10 feet long, so when it got too big, I simply had to turn it off and pull the end of this out, but I kind of figured we would stop at some point. 3 full bags fit into less than one of these yard bags. So you can see I'm about half full here. So that entire pile of sticks that would have taken us multiple bags to fill up is now in less than half of a yard bag. All right, final thoughts on this LawnMaster 15 amp wood chipper. You know, I did not have high expectations for something this inexpensive and something that ran off electricity. I mean, I figured it wouldn't be powerful enough to really do real sticks, but it was. It can handle a lot of sticks through here. It seems like it handles them efficiently. It feeds it down through. The system is easy to work, and I think it's gonna function like this for years to come. And the nice thing is that it's electric, so you don't have to change oil. You don't have to lubricate anything. There's no gas to go get. You just plug it in and go. So I think you'll really like the LawnMaster 15 amp wood chipper because I know I have, and I'm gonna keep using it.